Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Hello children, welcome to our language class. Today we are going to learn blend, fl and gl. Let's start. L, fl. If you have this worksheet with you, you are going to cut these pictures and letters around the dotted line. You are going to arrange like this. Pictures on one side, letters on other side. So then I'm going to show you how to build word using these letters. Now we're going to build word flag. When you say flag, what first blend you hear? Fl, 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 a, fl, a, g. Flag. So on your worksheet, you're going to build word flag. I'm going to show you the first one. Fl, a, g. Flag. Now we'll build word flip. Fl, fl, eh. Fl, eh. Flip. Now you build a word flip on your worksheet. Now we're going to build flat. Fl, fl, a, fl, a, t, t. Flat. Flan. Fl, a, fl, a, n. Flan. Next blend is gl, g, l, gl. Let's build word glad. Gl, gl, a, gl, a, d, d. Glad. Now here we are going to learn blend and digraph. This is blend gl, where you can hear two sounds when you say it. Gl, gl. Next one is digraph. There are two letters, they make only one sound. S. Now we are going to build word glass. Gl, gl, a, gl, a, s. Glass. glum, gl, 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 mm, glum. Now here we are going to learn gl and nd, two blends. Now here this part in our body is called gland. Gl, 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 nd, gland. If we have this worksheet with you, you are going to um, write on this worksheet. I'm going to show you the first one, how to write on it. What picture is this? Flag. Now we're going to write word flag. Fl, flag, flag, flag. Can you write it on your worksheet now? Next, we are going to write flip. Flip. Now, this time you are going to write on your own. Now, let's write word flat. 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 Now let's write flan. Flan. Now let's write glad. 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 Glass. 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 Glum. Gl. Glum. Gland. Gl. Gland. If you have this worksheet, you are going to cut words and pictures around the dotted line and keep it like this. You can pause every video, and when you are done, you can start again. Now let's start reading. Plan. You're going to match on your worksheet. Find a picture of flan, and then you're going to find a word plan. Plan. Flat. Flat. Flag. Flag. Flip. Flip. Glad. Glad. Glass. Glass. Glum. Gland. Gland. Are you done matching all your words to the pictures? Great. Here we are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.